Hi, this is Anthony from Inflection Data Team. In order to provide better data privacy at Inflection, we actually use a lot of cutting-edge technologies and also give control back of the data to consumers. Alexander is one of our team members. He's a data scientist, and he can tell you more about how we use machine learning to make decisions on what we do.
So here in the data team, we search through criminal records and we build algorithms to do that better. In particular, we're interested in only bringing back those criminal records that are relevant to the situation. Say somebody is applying for renting somewhere. We really only want to bring back first the records that actually belong to this person, and second, the records that are relevant to the context. Bringing back the records that only belong to this person is actually somewhat of a challenge, in particular because people with common names will often be associated with criminal records that don't belong to them. And so what we've done is we've actually built an algorithm that looks at certain features of the search input criteria, say the commonality of the first name, different spellings of the first name, and by doing this we can really only bring back those records that are a high match. And the second thing we want to do is we really only want to bring back the records which are relevant to the situation. For example, in the housing situation, are traffic records really relevant to this? And to do that, we've categorized all the criminal records we have. So we've gone through and assigned them to categories such as traffic or violent crimes. So all of this, categorizing these records, making sure that only the relevant ones are brought back, may help us to build a better product that protects your privacy.
Okay, so now I'm going to walk over to another important member of the data team, Conrad. He's our search architect, so he can tell you more about how we use opt-out framework to let consumers have control of their data.
Sure. As you know, we give out lots and lots of records on people. We go to public sources and give people information on other people. There are some times where we want to scrub that information. People will look at this and say, I don't want your information for whatever reason. It might be personal reasons, it might be that they're a police officer, and there might be a famous person who gets bothered too much. So we have opt-outs. In order for us to do this opting out, people have to tell us who they are, because otherwise we can't figure out what it is that we should opt out. So we have an opt-out API that our own applications call. So if you as a customer came to PeopleSmart, you could come on there, look, see, oh, my information is showing up in this website, I don't want it to. You fill out a form, it calls our opt-out API, scrubs their records, so from then on, they don't appear in any of our different websites' data.
Okay, this is it, what we do at Data Team at Inflection. So have a happy data privacy day. Adios.